Guys, today we're making cookies and we're not started yet. Good cup of sugar. One half of brown sugar. All. One half of butter. Now. Mix until creamy. 1 egg. And then mix. Okay, mix.
Two teaspoons of vanilla extract.
190 grams of flour. All? Yeah. 3/4 of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 cup of chocolate chips. In the pan.
Saturate for 30 minutes.
We wait.
Oven for 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes.
Hey!